wins the rebounding battle though. Elorde finds Acuna. Val for three.
The
What a quarter.
of Val Acuna just really will look at the ring. Kitang-kita agad yung siksik.
As Val Acuna pang ng 18 points ang South Cotabato. Here's a Preku. Gives it up to Val Acuna. The Warriors staying hot from beyond the arc. Parang Warriors na din kanina.
Ayun na nga eh.
Pero did not get the shot to go. Acuna, that's a beautiful finger roll using the left hand.
Somehow, maybe turning back the hands of time, maybe a few years ago, that would have been quite the acrobatic finish, but still a beautiful layup right here on the stretch by Val Acuna.
Last break of the game is brought to you by New Star Max. A win that
He really is doing everything here for South Cotabato.
11 points, 4 rebounds, and 4 assists para kay Marcos with a rebound. Quickly to John Wilson. Wilson finds Val Acuna.
Despite John Wilson being one of the a lot of his teammates have really been stepping up to the plate. He hasn't had to do so much of the scoring. He only has 4 points this afternoon, but he does.
Well, we're seeing the full arsenal here from South Cotabato, but we will also patay ni Tapeño. Elorde. Acuna for 3. That's good.
Compared to last year, so you still have to applaud the effort of Luis Tapeño for being able to try and give a semblance of light para sa kanyang kupunan as Val Acuna continues to terrorize here for South Cotabato.
Remember, may I remind everyone that Val Acuna hindi pa MVP yata yung pangalan nung